So this is going to be a quick recap of the article or the adjective endings, just so that we can review that and explain those tables again. So like we've discussed, to get the adjective ending, we need to have three things. First, we need to know the noun gender. Second, we need to know the article type. And third, we need to know the case or role of the word in the sentence. So first, in this table, we see our genders up here at the top. Then we can see our article types in each of the three tables. There's definite, indefinite, and none. And then the third and final piece, the case, is listed to the left of each table. So those are the three things that we need to find the ending of an adjective. Let's take a minute and look at an example. Our example sentence, Ich habe 5 Katzen. And we want to fill in the article alt. So we're trying to say I have 5 old cats. So we need to look at each of those three things. First thing on our list is noun gender. So we find the gender of our noun, Katzen, is plural. So we're going to be looking in the plural category. Second thing we need to know is the article type. Here is a number, 5, but it is not a definite or indefinite article. So we're going to be looking in the table with no preceding article. So now we know we're in the plural and in this no article table. The final piece of information that we need is the case or role of Katzen in our sentence. Here's our verb, and most of our cases hang from the verb. Nominative is the person doing it. Accusative is something getting acted on. Dative is indirectly acted on. Because our verb habe, to have, is expressing that we have the cats, those are going to be in the accusative case. So that means that our row we're looking at is right here. So now we know that in this table with no preceding articles, in the final column for plural and in the accusative row, we see kleine Kinder, that adjective got an E on the ending. So what we're going to do is add an E to our alt, and we are left with alte Katzen. So the correct adjective to use in that sentence is alte Katzen. Ich habe 5 alte Katzen. This table goes over the same three things we have along the top: our genders, and on the left side, our cases. This one is different in its formatting of the article. Unlike the other table, all of the articles are contained inside one table. The first in each cell is the definite article. The second is the indefinite article, and the last one is no article. This table is nice in that it goes over what words belong with each article group. Here we see a list of der Wörter, or direct articles. Here we see a list of Einwörter, or indirect articles. And lastly, we have a few Nullartikel, or words that don't count as articles. I'm not going to go over the third table right now. Just know that it does work the same as the other two that we have talked about. Again, please reach out if you have any other questions and I'll do what I can to explain.